Welcome back to After Effects Essentials, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create a tracker in After Effects that actually goes outside of the frame. So if I play through this clip quickly, you'll see that I've got two signs here at the bottom and they both will go out of the frame. So let's say we want to track one of those signs, but because they're going out of the frame it's a bit tricky, so let me show you how to do that. So very simple, I'm going to highlight that clip and I'm going to go to my tracker and I'm going to click on track motion. And I'm just going to create a bit of a larger tracker, something like that. And then I'm going to track the corner of this one sign. So I'm just going to drag that over to that sign and place it, let's say, right there. And then I'm going to track forward by clicking Analyze Forward here at the bottom. So you'll see it's going to track forward and then it's going to run out of frames right now. And it's just going to run through the whole clip. So I'm going to go back, I'm just going to scrub back and I'm going to try and find that last tracking point that it actually tracked on that sign. So if I scrub through, you'll see it was around right there. So now what we need to do is we need to tell this tracking marker to track something else in the shot so it can actually try and work out the distance between those 2 points, and then you'll have a tracking point outside of your frame. So always try and find something close to your original point or your original tracking marker that you want to track. So I'm going to hold in Alt on the keyboard and you'll see that your mouse pointer will change from black to white. So while holding that, just click and drag in this outside area of the tracker in your search area. I'm going to click and I'm going to drag that over to this windowsill right there. Now I actually checked the clip beforehand and I made sure that that point will not go outside of this frame. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on track forward or analyze forward again, and it's going to use that point as a reference, but you'll see that my tracking point is actually now outside of the frame. There we go. So let's create a quick null. So I'm going to right click, go to new and then null object, and I'm going to call that my tracker. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my tracker tab and I'm going to click on edit target, make sure that's on the tracker null. Click on OK, and then I'm going to click on apply and then apply the X and Y dimensions. Click on OK, and as you can see now we have our tracking null object outside of the frame. So if we play through this, you'll see it's sticking to that first sign and it will actually go outside of the frame because it's using this point as a reference. So this can be really handy if you want to do something to the sign, maybe as it comes into the frame or maybe as it's actually leaving the frame. So that will give you that tracking marker that can actually go outside of the frame. So it's really simple. You just hold in Alt on your keyboard and click in the search area of your tracker and you can move it around, and you can even position it more than one time. So you can position it and then do a few tracks and then position it again. So it's really a handy feature in After Effects. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.